Hey everybody, it's Silver Seeker, and today I have a package that came to me into my P.O. box. Checked my P.O. box today. This was in there, along with a letter from Hawai'i Minting Authority, or Hawai'i is how some people tend to pronounce it. And I'm doing my best to pronounce their words as well as possible. Of course, I come from the middle of the U.S., of the continental U.S., I should say, and so I'm probably not the best with pronunciation. But anyway, there was a letter and this package. And I wanted to share a little bit with you about what's inside of here, which I actually haven't opened yet, so I don't even know exactly what's in there. I know there's a really, really cool silver coin in here, and it feels like it's in some sort of really cool display box. I haven't gotten so far as to open this yet. But I wanted to share with you a little bit of the letter because I really like the mission of this company. And if you look on the front of their envelope, it even says precious metals with a purpose. So anyway, I got this in the mail, and let's go ahead and take a look at the letter, and then we're going to go ahead and unbox what's in here right now. Okay, and really quick before we get started on the letter, guys, I want to remind you, if you are into silver, if you like silver stacking, gold, numismatic coins, and more, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss my future notifications. Now on to the letter. As you can see, it's dated January 11th. It says Aloha Silver Seeker, and it says, please find the enclosed product for your review, for review on your YouTube channel. Please direct interested viewers towards our website at HawaiiMintingAuthority.com, and I will absolutely do so. It says a little bit about us. The Hawai'i Minting Authority's mission is to honor, educate, and perpetuate the culture of Hawaii in the timeless medium of handcrafted numismatic precious metal rounds. And then it says right here, our benefactors commit that a minimum of 51% of the profits of the Hawai'i Minting Authority will be used towards sustainable agriculture on the island of Hawaii. These funds will be directly dispersed from Hawai'i Minting Authority to farmers on the island, I assume, to be used to further develop the promising ulu breadfruit industry, thereby increasing food security on the island where more than 80% of the food is imported. This is to ensure future generations will thrive in Hawaii. Hawai'i Minting Authority's normal course of business operations provides purpose and a source of income for locals that isn't completely tied to the primarily tourist-driven state economy. And then it goes on to say a little bit about the ulu tree. So it says a single ulu tree can produce more than 1,000 pounds of complex low glycemic carbohydrates annually. The Hawai'i Minting Authority's benefactors are directly responsible for more than 730 trees being put into agricultural production on island, and hopes to double that number in the coming decade. And then right here it talks about how they've completed deals with brick and mortars to sell them in the future in brick and mortar, mostly in Hawaii. And then I actually went to this video, honestly, because I wanted to know how to pronounce some of these words. And they actually released a video for us to watch that taught us how to pronounce some of the words. So thank you so much for that. I did my absolute best to pronounce all of these words properly. So guys, I really like the mission of what they're doing. So I want to take a look at their website really fast before we get into looking at the unboxing of the product. And any of you guys that aren't interested in that would like to skip to the unboxing, I will have a chapter selection down below so you can actually click and go directly to the chapter if you want to skip ahead. But if you guys are interested in what these guys do, I think it's really cool. I'm going to check out the website really fast and share it with you guys. So let's get over there. Okay, guys, so we're on their website, Hawai'i Minting Authority. It says the Minting Authority, local minsters, master minsters, and craftsmen create fine items of intrinsic value to treasure, each lasting as long as the rich history of these majestic islands. All right, this one was not in the video, I don't believe. All Kalapa'ari, Kalapa'a, I think it was, Kalapa'a are conceptualized and produced without the use of high-speed modern machinery. So these are all hand-produced, not using high-speed machinery, so basically hand-poured, I'm assuming. And we're about to see what's in here, so I'm really excited. It says the precious metals are liquefied, cast, gauged, blanked, weighed, coined, and verified one at a time by hand. The obverse design features a heraldic shield adopted from the Great Seal of Hawaii, which depicts the stripes of the Ka Hawaii and two Pulo'ulu'u. I'm sorry. I know I'm wrecking this. I'm trying. The reverse designs honor Hawaiian people, culture, history, flora, and fauna. Durable hardwood display boxes are handcrafted from sustainably harvested and reclaimed native and endemic Hawaiian trees. So I'm assuming that's what's in this package is, a handcrafted case. I'm really excited to see this thing. I have not opened it yet. It says each item is exclusively produced in Hawaii. The time-honored process utilized the Hawaii Minting Authority ensure each item is one of a kind, deserving inclusion in the most discriminating collections. And this right here is pretty exciting. So look at this. The mint production for the 2021 calendar year is limited to 720 coins total, only 60 produced each month, which within those production limits, there will be no limit to the amount of any particular design. Collector demand will affect supply. So in other words, they're making these to order. So, if someone orders 20 of one design, then they'll make 20 of one design, but no more than a maximum of 60 a month. And then it says new stock will be made available on the first day of each month. And then it goes on to their mission and vision, which we talked about as part of the letter, or in the letter. So it talked about all of that. We already read all of that in the letter, but it talks about it. Then it has some of their designs down here. So, guys, I know you've been waiting. You guys that stuck with me while we went and checked out their website and learned a little bit about the history of the company. Thank you so much. Let's get over to the desk cam and actually get this thing unboxed, because I'm going to be honest with you, I'm pretty excited to see this. Let's go. All right, so here we go, guys. We're going to go ahead and cut this. Now, I don't want to cut into this with a knife because, there's a handcrafted wooden box in here. So I'm just going to gently just cut a little edge here so we can kind of get in there and then just pull the plastic apart. So they wrapped this very, very well. It was in another one of these priority bubble mailers. So it was wrapped very well to be protected, coming all the way from Hawaii. I'm trying to pronounce that the way they would pronounce it. I'm doing my best to honor their culture and the way that they speak, but obviously again, Midwest. So we are trying. All right, so let's gently get this open. Again, I don't want to damage it. So, okay, and then it's wrapped. All right, cool. So they definitely wrapped this very well. So this was wrapped to be protected. All right, so we cut through the tape. We cut through some of the tape. Let's go. All right, we cut through more of the tape. And it was also... All right, let's just... I want to kind of not damage the letter that they sent me. Okay, so we're starting to get to it. Okay, so it does appear that it is now wrapped in a shrink wrap plastic inside here. Okay, we are getting there. All right. So very well wrapped. Very good utilization of the U.S. Mint's shipping materials. And guys, check this out. This is really cool. So this is a handcrafted wood box. This is really neat. Kind of exciting, actually. All right, so same thing. I don't want to damage this. And as you can see, it is shrink wrapped very, very well. We're going to try and use our penny dog screwdriver, and we're not going to put any pressure. We're just going to try and get under the plastic here and then pull up so that we're not... There we go. I didn't want to put any pressure on the wood at all. Okay, we are getting there, guys. We are getting there. I'm excited about how well this thing is packaged. And again, they're only making 60 of these a month, so it's kind of exciting that I have one of these to share with you guys. And it is very, very well wrapped. Man, I could think of some other companies that could take an example from this right here. I'm just saying. They could definitely take an example. Just putting that out there. I'm not naming names. I'm just saying. All right. So let's see. On the bottom, so there's all sorts of cards. This was on the bottom. I'm assuming this is the top. So you can see you have the little tag for the Hawaii Minting Authority. All right. Oh, it's a COA. So the Hawaii Minting Authority, Silver Ali'i. Oh, snap. I know. This Kala Keokeo, which means basically silver money, depicts King Kamehameha I. I'm so sorry. I'm trying. The Ali'i Nui was a great leader, warrior, and diplomat who unified the island nation and maintained the kingdom's independence during European discovery and exploration. So I apologize about messing up those words. Again, I am trying... you know, I want to do this. As I do this, I'm not going to re-record this. I want this to be an official reaction / review. So, you know, if I mess it up, I mess it up, and you hear me mess it up. I'm not going to cut, edit, or whatever. So it looks like this is the depiction of the Hawai'i. And I probably messed that up. I watched that video 3 times and I still don't think I have all the pronunciations down. All right, so we also have a Hawaii Minting Authority sticker. And then this looks like, yeah, I guess this is just like the item tag, so they know exactly which one they have they're shipping. And then it talks a little bit about what we read on the website. So this is basically what we read on the website about the you know, the company and what they do. And guys, I really want to take a second to admire this box. Holy smokes, that is beautiful. And they said this is, I think they said it's definitely it's sustainable wood source and repurposed, I believe they said as well. But this is really, really cool. All right, here we go. Like, this is it. This is what we have been waiting for. We just got to find, how does it come off? Is there, oh, cool. It turns. I'm trying to pull it. Look at this. So there's a magnet right here. You can feel it. See that? Oh, man. I tell you what. This is cool. Like, this is... Oh, man. How do we get this out? All right. I'm going to hold... I wanted to hold the hinge. You know, right here. I wanted to hold that. So, all right. So you can see... inside, it has their logo again. And it's like a little piece of cloth right there to protect the capsule. And then let's take a look at the coin. So you got the Hawaii Minting Authority. And there it is, the Kala Keo, 1 ounce, 99 fine silver. Kamehameha, the great. Man, that is really cool. And there's a whole lot of, looks like Hawaiian words right there that I'm not going to even attempt because it would try not to disrespect their language. It's pretty amazing. Man, this is cool. That is really, really neat. So it comes in a very, very nice, very sturdy capsule. 1 ounce of silver. Again, these are all handcrafted. They only make 60 of these a month for a total of 720 for the year. And the box that this comes in is just awesome. That is cool. Like, I don't know what else to say about that. That is just really, really, really cool. Wow. Well, guys, I want to finish this video out by first, again, complimenting this one more time. And then also thanking the Hawaii Minting Authority for providing me with this awesome 1 ounce silver coin and this very, very cool display box for it. I'm going to put this in a very safe, protected place because this is just cool. Handcrafted and just awesome. So guys, again, if you want to check out the Hawaii Minting Authority, make sure you go down to the link below. I'll put a link in the description below. And again, thank you so much to them for providing this to me. I do appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like videos like this and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I did leave a video above you can check out if you haven't seen it yet. I also want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to my awesome channel supporters scrolling right there on the right hand of the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.